Hello, a bit of a fast jet for you this week. It's the Academy kit of the Lockheed Martin F-35A Lightning II. Now, they had a Lightning in their Air Force, and we have a Lightning II in our Air Force, but now we've got a Lightning II in our Air Force too. Right, enough of that. It says up top MCP, multicoloured parts, and we'll see what that means now. And so that's the box. Nice little picture drawing of the aircraft. I've taken the inside out, so straightforward. You've got instructions and a pile of other bags here. It's multicolored parts. Look, it's just like the old days with Matchbox. You got black parts for the cockpit area and the tailpipe, the white parts for the underside, and the parts which are often painted white. And you've got the light grey parts for the weapons and mid-grade parts for the parts themselves, the aircraft itself. So anyway, put that aside a moment, show you the kit itself. Once I've do a quick look at the instructions, we've got the nice little drawing that's on the box, call-outs for the colours in various different manufacturers, Umbrella, etc., Revel, Vallejo, all of the regular top ones. The decals are your typical grey with grey highlights and a couple of different bases. It's on. Not bad quality, they're okay. They'll do. And that's a cellophane, that is. You got the decals for the controls, the laptops in the aircraft, and you've got numbers 1 to 9 or 1 to 0 there, so you've got a lot of options there for which colour, which aircraft you want to do. I think nice to have all those numbers. You can keep those in your decal stash, kind of decal storage. Now, separately, but on a bit of paper, you got the decal placement sheet. There's 3 options there, and that's the general, same common stencils for the bombs as well, and the bombs and the missiles. Look. So quickly get on with it. Here we go. Right, and usually you start with the interior of the aircraft first. So you got the bomb bay or the weapons bay and the air intakes. Then you got the, what's usually the first thing is the cockpit interior, a multi-part seat there, and a little handle for the ejection seat. And then there's a man in this one, and you put his arm on, so you can place where you want to put his arm. And then, as usual, cockpit onto the bottom of the wheel well onto the bottom of the 2 halves of the fuselage. Wheels, the wheels on. It's very self-explanatory, but it's not a aircraft I'm familiar with, really. So it'll be a bit interesting for me to find out about the aircraft itself. And as usual with these type of aircraft, you've got to decide whether you're going to have it weapons bay doors open or not before you do it. It's always a bit of a compromise. So if you want to see the weapons inside, you've got to leave the doors open. And the usual, put the rest on there. Got the option to have the cockpit open, can it be open? That's pretty much it. There's your spray map as well, just for you to check what's what, is where you expect it to be. Now the plastic itself, I'll just show you the sort of mid softness, hardness sort of plastic. It's not particularly hard, but it's not spongy soft either. So they're already in place. You have to build the bombs, but the missiles are in one piece. The smaller bombs are in one piece too, and the recessed panel lines, but as I'll show you after, some of the parts which aren't recessed, but that's probably the shape of the things in real life, because I don't know, I'm not familiar with it. See, there we go, there's the aircraft top fuselage. You got all the various marking, various wiggly bits. Not sure what they all do. Now on some kits, in the earlier kits, these parts are raised. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're slightly raised. But on this one, it's quite smooth. And parts count wise, not much on that sprue. But on the back of the tail, on the movable parts here, they're raised, those markings there. So maybe they're raised like that on the aircraft itself for some reason, I don't know. But that's how it looks. One piece per side. And more of the multiple colours. The bottom of the aircraft is exactly the same. I haven't even taken it out of the plastic for that. It's no point. Show you that. Now the interior of the weapons bay in that glorious white plastic, which is very Matchbox in, as I probably said, in inspiration. That's nicely focusing up, perhaps. All the different details. They'd be nice to take a wash. And intakes, wheel struts, whatever, in white. In black, you've got the tyres, because you've already got the wheel hubs here. You got the tyres there, see? But they're not right on wheels, so whether that's through the pressure of this aircraft tyres, or whether you just side of yourself and rub down the side of it. You got the detail on the back exhaust jet pipe, a little crown shape there. Yeah. And yeah, here's the cockpit interior. So there's plenty of detail on it. But this, unlike the F-22, the Academy doesn't give you a tinted windscreen. So it's just a clear windscreen. That's pretty clear underneath there. I'll just cut that open a second. I wasn't going to open it, but why not? You want to see what it's like without the plastic on it. There we go. That's not too bad, is it? There's no markings on it. There's no seam on the canopy itself. That's upside there. And you've also got this aim-in part, whatever the window it is on the front. It goes underneath the chin or the nose. Got a nice little plastic part for that as well. So there. So that's, but in short, that's the ins and outs of it. The 172 scale Academy F-35A. A couple of weeks time I'll probably show you the B model that Italeri produced. But for now, there it is. The F-35A from the US Air Force Lightning II. Alright, thanks for watching this far. Bye bye for now.